The way electricity is distributed is changing rapidly, and with it, the need to gain insight and control over power distribution has become a necessity. The modern world needs energy that is connected 24/7 to enable your operations to run 24/7. Our connected products are EcoStruxure ready, meaning all applicable sensors, products, and automation are embedded within the single solution, ensuring you have 24/7 connectivity for visibility of your equipment health with Trihal. EcoStruxure-ready products bring many benefits, including immediate visibility of your equipment status, so that you have the information you need at your fingertips to make faster, better-informed decisions. These innovative wireless thermal sensors, used within our Trihal MV transformers, detect temperature anomalies, such as mechanical electrical connections issues. Incorrect torque applied to cables or busbar joints can accelerate deterioration. Over time, these connections heat up until they fail, causing unexpected downtime that can cost millions in lost revenue. With the right tools and an EcoStruxure-ready product, those scenarios can become a thing of the past. Periodic thermal scanning from the Thermal app can remove costly external maintenance procedures and make them safer too by increasing the distance between yourself and risk. Monitoring the condition of your installation reduces your risk of failure, keeps power flowing and business operations running, providing you with a more predictive maintenance solution. Our EcoStruxure-ready MV range have a QR code on the front of the product. This code can be scanned via the My Schneider app to access technical documentation, support, and FAQs on that specific product right on your smart device or phone. We've integrated that QR code directly into our new secure cloud storage, meaning fast and easy access to a safe repository of personalized product information, suitable for project handover, such as drawings or configuration files, and only accessible by the right people. EcoStruxure-ready connectivity also brings condition monitoring to your equipment, including Trihal transformers, allowing you to have better visibility of your equipment health, leading to enhanced safety, more efficiency, and a more reliable power network that saves you time and money.